Good morning, Professor Levy Grant, Zofia Grzegorzewska. Well, 4:40, January 18th, 2020. Second week, we're checking up with our professor. Professor, this past week, I've learned that not everyone will be happy to be our mentor. Those two ladies I have mentioned, I think they were kind of just scared for what I'm asking. And I was thinking to myself how women are supposed to advance and become leaders if they're going to be people like this who are not people who are in a position to mentor, but they're just scared that they don't see a reason for it. Well, I thought to myself, well, I have to have a plan B. Well, I emailed, her name is Alicia Marquis Jordan. She is a teacher at Anna McCabe Elementary School in Smithfield, Rhode Island. School that my son attended starting when he was just 3 years old through the 5th grade. Professor Levy Grant, if it comes to this school, I have to say I am totally in love with this school, with its staff, with its teachers, with special education director who would do everything for his special needs students. and staff is very well oriented and respectful, loving toward special needs children. And just few minutes after I emailed Ms. Jordan asking her to become my mentor, she returned the email and she said, of course. And he said, yes, of course. And she said, I will be happy that she will be very happy to work with me. So I got this problem solved. Ms. Jordan is absolutely I know her not only professionally, but she is involved and she's an amazing person. She is involved in many programs, and she's not only a teacher at McCabe, but she is involved in Special Olympics. She is I want to say specialist in physical education. She will look for the programs and for the grants to empower and benefit special needs children physically, educationally. She will provide extra workshop after the school workshop for them, which my son attended to. She's an unbelievable person, and I'm sure she's going to be an unbelievable source of information and unbelievable mentor. This week we're actually concentrating on our toolbox. For me, very important was to, if it comes to using or tools, for me, very essential right from the start would be to have good assessment and to find out everything, not only historical background, but right there from the spot, doing the good assessment, we can probably have an idea what could be in benefits, future benefits for this community, for this idea we are about to implement. So as assessment, of course, who will use not only, I want to say, passive research, but also I want to go see, meet. Um, I want to I want to say I want to interview people who have interests and they could be beneficial for my project. Well, I can see from my classmates posts, and I wanted to say a couple of them to please come with me and work with me, communicate with me. You have wonderful and awesome ideas, and I'm very, very also proud of my classmates, and greatly encourage them to follow with their projects. Well, thank you very much, Professor. It was very, very interesting week. I hope that week 6 will bring some very sensual information and we can finish our final project. Well, thank you very much, Professor, and see you next week.